Pearson product moment correlation is the most widely used in statistics to measure the degree of the relationship between the linear related variables. Pearson product moment correlation coefficient or simply correlation coefficient or yung mas kilalang Pearson's R is a measure of the linear strength of the association between two variables. It is founded by Carl Pearson. The value of the correlation coefficient varies between positive 1 and negative 1. When the value of the correlation coefficient lies around positive or negative 1, then it is said to be a perfect degree of association between the two variables. As the value of the correlation coefficient goes closer to 0, the relationship between the two variables will be weaker. So this information is summarized in these charts. Perfect positive correlation, this one moderate positive correlation, weak positive correlation. Yung kabaligtaran naman nila, perfect negative correlation, moderate negative correlation, weak negative correlation, and itong last ay no correlation. Example, the following data shows the scores of 5 students in statistics and physics. Let us determine if there is a relationship between the scores in physics and statistics. Then interpret the results. The given scores in statistics of 5 students, 3, 9, 10, 12, and 7. In physics, 5, 8, 10, 9, 8. The first step is to construct a table. X, Y, X squared, Y squared, and the product of XY. Complete the table. X squared, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 9, 81, 10 times 10 is 100, 12 times 12 is 144, 7 times 7 is 49. For y squared, 5 times 5 is 25, 8 times 8 is 64, 10 times 10 is 100, then 9 times 9, 81, 8 times 8, 64. Then let us get the product of xy. 3 times 5, 15, 9 times 8 is 72, 10 times 10 is 100, 12 times 9, 108, 7 times 8 is 56. After this, get the sum of all entries in each column. The summation of x is 41. Kita nyo dito, summation ng y ay 40. For y squared, we have 334. And summation of xy, 351. Using this formula natin sa R, yung pinakita kanina, n is 5 because we have 5 students. Ilagay lang yung 5 dito. Then yung summation of xy is 351 minus summation of x 41 times summation of y, which is 40, over the square root of 5, copy 5, then summation of x squared is 383 minus the square of 41 times 5 again, n, then summation of y squared is 334, then the square of y, summation of y, which is 40. Then compute natin yan. the value of R, kapag kinompute yan, the value of R will be 0.90. So what is the strength and direction of R value? So the strength is very high and the direction is positive. Therefore, there is a very high positive correlation between the scores in statistics and in physics of 5 students. Pwede rin natin makuha ang Pearson's R gamit ang Excel. Open nyo lang yung Excel nyo, copy the data, yan, copy the data, then click dito sa taas, data, then hanapin nyo po ang data analysis, click correlation, okay, input range, highlight this data. Kung isasama nyo yung name, check ito, labels in first row. Pero kung hindi nyo isasama yung name sa taas, uncheck. Then, okay. So, our answer is 0.898547. Kapag ni-round off natin yan, this is equal to 0.90.